Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Eagle Sci Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp web in your desktop. And it's a very easy process, and it has some advantages and also some disadvantages. I'll let you know about it in the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now what I'll do is I will go to my desktop and I will search for WhatsApp web and I will click WhatsApp web. Now it has already shown how to use your WhatsApp in this web and how to collaborate with your mobile. Now I will show you in this mobile. Click go to settings and then go to WhatsApp web or desktop. Then there is this scan QR code. Click OK. Then just scan the QR code. Now you can see in my desktop that the WhatsApp web has started and it's logged in, and you can use it from here. You can chat from here. You can do everything from this web. So this is how you do it, and then again you can just click this and do all the stuff you do in the WhatsApp in your mobile. You can do it in your WhatsApp web in desktop. Now you can also log out by clicking these, change the settings and do everything else. You can chat from here as well. Now what I will do is that I will discuss about the disadvantage first, and then I'll discuss about some advantages of this feature. Now the disadvantage is that if anyone gets hold of a mobile and scan this QR code in their laptop, they will be logged in and you won't know about it until, obviously, if the person chats and it becomes weird to you. So this is a very negative side effect. And the advantages are that if you want to use your laptop if you want to use your WhatsApp in your laptop, you can do that. If you want to upload pictures which is not supportable in the mobile, or the large files, if you want to upload it, if you want to do stuff that's in laptop and you want to use it directly from the laptop, you can do it just by using the WhatsApp web in your desktop. So that's the advantage, and I see the thing. But you can obviously use the verification, two-step verification, okay, and it helps you to secure your account. And I have shown how to do two-step verification, how to enable it in this video. Just click it over here and you'll see it, and it's very easy. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Hit the notification bell for notifications, and thank you for watching. See you next time.